Hey everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to use Uber. This video is for beginners. I'll explain everything here. First, let's start with your account. As you can see, here's your rating. It affects your rides. You can read here how it works and how you impact your trips. Yeah, this affects whether a driver will want to pick you up and what kind of drivers you'll get. So here's how to call a taxi. Go to the home screen, tap Ride Yeah to book a trip. Then you choose your location. Say we're going from here, so we'll select it on the map. Let's go here to Bullington. We select that. Now it's searching for cars, right? And here we choose who's going to drive us. Uber X is a regular sedan. XL is bigger, a larger car that can fit more people. Here you can order a cheaper rate, which just means waiting a bit longer for your car, or you can reserve a car for when you need it. So there's the comfort option. A nicer car with more comfort, but it costs more. And pet. That means you can bring your pets along. And priority. Priority means the nearest, fastest car will come to you. You'll be at the front of the line. So you choose your payment method, pay, and the driver comes to pick you up. You can also order food here, right? Or other everyday items from various stores. You can pick what you need from a store and order it through Uber. Everything from restaurants, Asian, vegetarian, to electronics and so on. You can order them just like a taxi. You can also schedule a ride in advance. To do this, click the Later button, then select your starting point on the map. Let's say, for example, I'll choose Paris. We'll pick a spot, say near the Eiffel Tower. And choose your destination. Let's say right here, click Confirm. Select your dates here, click Continue, and then choose the car that'll take you. There you go. Well, Paris has a few more options, but overall it works the same way. Now about your account, here we go into the account settings where you can set up your work location, your home address, choose a theme like dark mode, and either log out or switch accounts. That's it. This is Weller. See you everyone.